Hi, my name is Deepanjan. I'm the lead designer for our recently launched Halo and Halo Bit. And today I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions. So before we dive in, let's just look at what these are. This is the Halo. The Halo is a full-face helmet with premium sound by Harman Kardon. While this is the Halo Bit. It's a module which attaches to our Ather half face and provides a great audio quality experience on an open face format. Both these helmets come with great, fantastic audio experiences and seamless features to be able to enhance your everyday two-wheeler ride. Let's move on to the first question. How safe is the Halo? Now, we'll break safety down into two parts. The first part is the helmet itself. We've built a helmet first. Both Halo and Halo Bit are ISI and DOT rated helmets. Their electronics are designed to be water resistant and they're neatly packed into this impact grade plastic casing outside of the helmet shell itself to ensure a safe riding experience even during a crash. Now let's move on to the second part about audio inside a helmet. See, is it safe while riding while listening to audio? The helmet shell of both Halo and Halo Bit has padding which has been tuned to let outside noise in. We've also spent a lot of time tuning the speakers and its volume to be able to allow you to hear the critical sounds like that ambulance siren or the person honking behind you, all even at maximum volume. Let's move on to the next question. How do I use the Halo and Halo Bit? So your Halo and Halo Bit just needs a standard Bluetooth connection to your smartphone, which means that if your vehicle, such as the 450 series or the Rista, has onboard media controls, you'll be able to manage audio and call control on the fly or on the move. We've also made sure that the pairing process is relatively simple. So as and when the helmet switches on, it seamlessly connects to your phone. For the Halo, however, it comes with wear detection, which means that simply wearing the helmet switches the helmet on and it automatically starts looking for your phone and connects to it without any need for manual intervention by you. So how do I use ChitChat and music sharing? Halo and Halo Bit come with a companion app, which you can use to connect two helmets together. What this allows you to do is it allows you to have seamless conversations with your rider and pillion, both who are wearing Halo or Halo Bit, and allow you to play music simultaneously on both the helmets together. How do I charge the Halo and the Halo Bit? Now, for the Halo comes with wireless charging enabled, which means that you as a buyer get to opt in for two types of charging solutions. One is what we call the home charger. The home charger is a portable charger which is able to magnetically latch on to the back of your helmet to provide seamless and effortless wireless charging. The second charging solution is your in-storage charging with the Rista scooter. This allows you to just easily drop your helmet in the underseat storage and have it seamlessly charged without any effort. On the other hand, the Halo Bit comes with a standard USB-C port located in the front of the module, which means that you can use any regular USB-C cable to charge your Halo Bit. And 30 minutes of charge gives you several hours of commute. So one of the more frequently asked questions, can I use Halo and Halo Bit with non-Ather vehicles? Now, as mentioned before, both these helmets just require a simple connection to your smartphone. So if you have a smartphone, you can enjoy great music and calls with any vehicle, not just Ather. If your vehicle, like our Ather scooters, if it has onboard media controls, then again, you can still control your music, you can control your calls while on the move in traffic. What's the warranty on Halo and Halo Bit? Both helmets come with a 1-year warranty. More details on this will be up on our website soon. And lastly, can I clean the Ather Halo and Halo Bit? Yes, you can. It's pretty simple. All you need is a washcloth and some water and you'll be able to easily wipe down the exteriors. And for the interiors, all the liners and fabrics are detachable. So you'll be able to simply remove it, wash it separately and reassemble this bag with no hassle. For those of you who pre-ordered on our community day or on the website, you guys will be the first in line to receive it. Deliveries start in a few months and stay tuned for any more information on this.